Hey there, Doc here from Killer Logic. I'm your guide to making automation not just possible, but powerful. At Killer Logic, we help businesses unlock the real impact of automation by giving them the tools, confidence, and clarity to move from strategy to execution. One of the best places to start is the Automation Power Playbook. This is your central hub packed with resources designed to help you plan, design, and launch successful automation initiatives. Inside, you'll find curated guides, interactive tools, and reference material that inspire new ideas, help you build a rock-solid business case, and accelerate your automation journey. Whether you're brainstorming your first project, calculating return on investment, or mapping out next steps, every resource is built to move you forward with confidence. Now let's dive into the star of today's demo, the Total Impact Blueprint. This tool captures the essentials of your automation initiative, from core purpose to measurable success, so your team can align, prioritize, and execute with clarity. To get started, you can download a sample blueprint and use the load button to see a fully thought-through example in action. If you'd rather begin fresh, just hit clear and build your blueprint step by step. As you go, you can save your edits as a JSON file directly to your desktop. That way you can reload it later and continue refining without losing a beat. When you're ready, the preview function makes it easy to print or export your blueprint as a polished PDF. And here's the best part. You can send your blueprint directly to Killer Logic. Our engineers and architects will review it, reach out with feedback, and help you shape the next steps. Or, if you're ready, we'll talk about how our team can take the reins and deliver your automation project for you. So that's the Total Impact Blueprint. Simple, practical, and built to help you turn vision into results. I'm Doc from Killer Logic. Dive into the Automation Power Playbook today, and let's build what's next.